Hey, everyone. Welcome to AI by Design TV, where faith meets innovation and where we make AI make sense. And I'm your host, Tisha D. Colston, your certified AI consultant and digital biz bestie. And if you're ready to save time, create smarter, and show up like the CEO you are, you're in the right place. Let's build, let's automate, let's scale, all by design. All right, in today's video, I want to talk about ChatGPT's deep research tool. So, got a little presentation for you here. So, what is deep research? I'm not sure if many of you have seen this. I'm not really sure what it means, but let's talk about what it means and how you can use it. So, ChatGPT's deep research is an advanced feature that was introduced by OpenAI in February of 2025, and it's currently August of 2025. And it's different from the standard ChatGPT searches. So the deep research performs in-depth, multi-step research on complex topics. And it can take anywhere from 50 minutes to 30 minutes, I think a little bit longer, to complete research and then deliver a comprehensive, well-structured report for you. How does it work? Well, deep research breaks down your query or what you asked it to do into smaller, manageable sub questions. So you don't have to go in and ask this question and then ask that question. It's doing all of that for you. It browses through the web to get the information together from different sources, including text, images, and PDFs. And then it analyzes and puts together the collection of the information to create a comprehensive report. And that comprehensive report is powered by OpenAI's O3 model. And so it's going to deliver this report. It's going to have citations and references for you. Some features about the deep research mode or tool analyzes and synthesizes information from a wide range of online sources to produce a comprehensive report. So it's going through the World Wide Web to gather this information, right? It handles different kinds of data, so text, image, and PDFs to gather and to complete your report. You can attach files, spreadsheets, whatever you need to provide the context for your query or your research. Okay. You can even integrate Python to execute, and this is code kind of things, which I know nothing about, but I am going to learn because I'm interested. But don't hold me to that just yet. But anyway, so you can, implement that in as well in your deep research. We're going to take a look at the tool here in a minute. How do you use it? Well, you select the deep research in the message box for ChatGPT or instructional box, and then you enter your query. That is the details about what you want to research. And then you can provide, like we talked about, any files to give it more context. And then you can just monitor the progress. You want to be specific on your query so that you can get the most relevant results. It will ask you questions if it's not clear enough. Here's what it is as far as availability and usage. So the deep research tool is available to all ChatGPT users, but there are some limitations, right? So if you're on the free, you can get 5 per month. If you are on the plus or the enterprise, you get 10. And then if you are on the pro, of course, you get 125 queries. The lightweight version is powered by the O4 mini model for the free users. Okay, so there's just different models which we've talked about for ChatGPT, and this is what it looks like, which we're gonna look at. Pros and cons. So for pros, ask clarifying questions before it starts the research, which helps it to refine the query and make sure it's giving you the relevant results. It produces detailed and multi-page reports with citations and links to sources. It highlights the key findings and insights in bold, and it makes the document easy to skim. So that means it has good presentation. And then it shows major improvement in accuracy and provides inline clickable citations. So you'll be able to click on those citations and take a look at it to make sure that everything is true. What are some cons of it? Well, there are export and sharing limitations. So reports degrade on export, especially with citation handling. There may be some bugs. So revision requests can be buggy, right? I believe it's going to get better over time. Accuracy, so it can miss some details. So it's very important for you to take a look, make sure it's not hallucinating. We know ChatGPT is good for hallucinating. And then sometimes it can make errors when combining those multiple data sources to draw a conclusion. And so that's why you want to make sure your reports are correct and that its ultimate, its summaries, its conclusions that it's drawing matches up to the data that it's provided and that the data it's provided is correct, right? And so, yeah, in conclusion, ChatGPT's deep research is a powerful tool. It still is good for, even with those cons, it is good for the complex research tasks. It's going to break down your queries into sub questions and gather information from all these different sources. And it does it in a lot less time than you would if you were doing the research. Okay. So let's take a look at the deep research tool. I have a query running. Let's see if it's finished. It is not finished just yet. So I'm going to probably come back to this one. But my query was so in the deep research tool, let me pull up a chat GPT session just so you can see what that looks like. And under tools, and then you just click on deep research, right? So I have 23 left. And then, so once I do that, it is selected. And here is where I can take a look at web is already, it's already gonna, that's defaulted. Web is on, but I can also connect my other tools. And then here, of course, I can add, files and things like that. Okay. Um, Yeah. So that's it there. So in this box, I typed what are the seven most pressing financial challenges for Black female entrepreneurs, and provide stats and recent examples. Okay. And so it asked me some clarifying questions because this was kind of vague. And so I answered those questions. It said, thanks. Now it took 7 minutes to complete. Now we just came and it wasn't there, but it's there now. It took 7 minutes to complete 22 sources and 91 searches. So can you imagine if you had to do those, what that would be for you? I mean, that would be a lot of research, right? And so it came up with this whole report here for this research for that I asked it. Okay, so financial challenges facing Black female entrepreneurs in 2025, minimal access to venture capitaling. I'm just going to highlight them, right? And then it goes into details, and you see how it's giving the citations. High barriers in securing bank loans, credit and collateral constraints, cash flow struggles, and limited reserves, over reliance on personal finances. I'm so familiar with that one, right? Under investment and revenue disparities, systemic bias and backlash in financial support. And it's giving you the sources down here, even though it also gave you the sources within. Okay. But so as you can see, I have a comprehensive report on the question that I've asked it, and I now have something to go off of. So if you, no matter what industry that you are in, I mean, you can come in here and ask it to create you a report or do some deep research for you for anything. Like I want to research how Gen Z, here's one. I'm not gonna execute the query because it's gonna take at minimum 5 minutes. But let's see here. Just copy this one. Research how Gen Z is saving and investing in 2025. So this is how financial coaches can use it. Include cultural trends, platforms used, and expert commentary. So it's going to ask you the questions and then start to perform the research. So when you're doing your presentations, you can take this research and you can apply this research, or just if you're trying to figure things out, you know how to use the research, but the point here is that it can do the research for you. So that's it for today's video on ChatGPT's deep research tool, and I'll see you in the next video. Right, if you love this, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that follow or that subscribe button for more AI powered tips and creative hacks right here on the AI by Design TV. Hey, listen, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.